cents. Table 5 cents. Oops. London Bridge is
I'm telling Sarah.
Wait, Jimmy! Sarah's bad for Ed. Don't hold the ball, Eddie.
I bow to thee, Monger.
Yeah, sure.
Look! Are you ready, Monger? Yes, that's my horse.
That's the horse!
You must be punished. What is that, Rolf? The hat of discipline. Do you live in a cave? All is forgiven. You take the short, yappy one, Lee. Beat it, Marie. You had to. Thank you. Take care of my jawbreaker, as I'm a simpleton. Yes? You're welcome. Ooh, she's looking at us playing.
Ouch! Eddie! That's my jawbreaker!
It's mine!
Get your hands off my jawbreaker! Excuse me, Ed Boys, but Rolf must discipline the nutty goats! You make Rolf sick!
What's going on in here? It's stuck, Double D!
Just relax your fingers, Ed.
It's devouring my hand, Double D!
It's just a bowling ball, Ed. Calm down.
Get it off! A toothbrush! Finders keepers!
You guys must think I'm stupid or something! You're both in cahoots to give Double D his cut!
I refuse to be part of any of this, Eddie.
Open wide and say Bob, Double D!
Not if it was the last edible substance on our planet.
Position and pose starts by fanning your toes and placing your left foot
Its tentacles tightened, sucking the marrow.
Is that so?
I belt you good day, ladies!
Damn! Ouch! Get rid of this stupid jacket, Ed!
Tag, you're it! Huh?
You insult Rolf! You will wake Nana. Silence, yes? Thank you!
Silence? I'll give you silence!
Who's there?
You told him! I thought you were my friend! You idiot!
Suckle! Earth is not your salad bar!
Be gentle!
Do not!
Do too.
Storks, go! Oh, I know! I saw it in a movie once.
What's with Rolf's fun, stupid clothes?
Rolf's gotta go to a family reunion. Talk, tick.
Look at those saps!
Cobblers, system
I'm the Peach Creek Clubber!
Don't you think your parents will be a tad upset with a photo of you with a snail on your head?
You're an idiot!
Makeup!
What the heck are you doing?
Bad sky! Falling, Eddie! My